Hi everyone, I hope you are. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Bitcoin once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now, what we do need to keep an eye on is this weekly close above that yellow line. I think last week we got the close above the 10, didn't we? Which was really, really nice statement from Bitcoin. Like I said to you, it's a really nice statement. And right now, if we can start to come back up and close above this key level resistance just there, this is an amazing little statement from Bitcoin. And potentially your bottom's in here, and you're breaking out of a W double bottom pattern and ascending triangle as well, which gives you a technical break target all the way up there. Okay, so it's amazing. These are the things you want to see. It's confirming the bull market here, and the back test of support, you hold it, you're going to break out, and you're looking at a retest of that high. And this is the thing that's going to give the game away here for Bitcoin, whether or not you're in a bull or bear market. You're in a corrective phase here, coming back down to these lows. You've held them. Right now, you're crawling up, looking for the retracement to that high. And this is beautiful market structure right now. Okay, and one of the most important time frames, like I said to you, the whole way down here is the monthly. If we take a look at the monthly, like I said to you, the whole way down here, if you close above the 20, that's bullish. If you close below it, it's bearish, because whenever you close below this 20, okay, it signifies that you're coming down to the 55 on any time frame. Look, let me show you. Okay, on the weekly, what happened was you came up there, you start to close below the 20. What happens? You come down to the 55 again. Look, you close below the 20 just there. What happened? Your 55 was your target. You held it and come back up the stairs. Okay, so on the monthly, like I said to you the whole time, Bitcoin is bullish, because here you're putting a high, a higher high, a low, and a higher low. And right now, you look at that chart, that's bullish. All you've done is gone sideways, allowed these EMAs to creep back up and back to support, hold a support, and you're looking at continuation here. You're looking at a breakout and retest of that high. So technically for me, Bitcoin is still in a bull market. It's in a corrective phase of a bull market just here, okay? And I'm looking for this retest, this retracement to break this high, to break out, and everyone fearful of a bear market. There was no bear market. It was a corrective phase of a bull market. So we need the confirmation of the bear market, for me, and we're not getting it just yet. For me, I'm looking for the retracement to kick in, potential rejection, start to come back down and retest these lows. And with that, you get your dead cat bounce after dead cat bounce, your price compression just there, and you're getting your sort of descending triangle, which we always get in every single bear market before we capitulate towards the end of the bear. Okay, not getting that yet. It usually takes a year to get from the peak to the capitulation apex. Do you understand that? So if we are in a bear market, you're looking November this year, where Bitcoin will capitulate and come down to that particular low, which is usually I think in bear markets it's around about 85% correction for Bitcoin. So I think I've gone through this with you before, but if we take a look, if this was your bull market top and you're coming down in the bear, and right now this is the bear market rearing its head, and all you're doing is retracing dead cat bounce, resistance, come down to these lows again, resistance, and you get price compression in, and your capitulation towards the end right there. If you do start to do that for Bitcoin, 85% is, let me show you, 85% is where is it? 85% is roughly down there at around about $10,000. Do you see that? So around about $10,000, which is basically round about here somewhere. Now, is it doing it yet? No. This is why I don't think you're in a bear market. There is obviously the possibility of a bear market, but there's also the possibility that in fact you're still in a bull market. And one of those things is the fact that you're still closing above the monthly 20. Now you can see in this bear market just here, you came down, you got a series of dead cat bounces like that, you get your price compression, which is the market structure I'm looking for here. Okay, we've not got it, and if you start to get the price compression, you close on the 20, you capitulate down to the 55. Same here, you come down, close on the 20, capitulate. This was fueled by the corona dump as well, by the way, but anyway, that's a different story. But yeah, so far, on the monthly, high, low, holding the 20, up you go basically. So on the daily, like I said to you, on the weekly, we do need to see the close above that weekly 20 EMA, which is a really bullish statement from Bitcoin. So we need to see the week close above 43614, really bullish. And then as well on the daily time frame, I do think you're in a technical target here. I'm going to show you. You're in a technical target to that, which is basically where the 050 fib is. Look, just there. So you're retracing, you're calling up, you're coming back up through the fibs, potentially something like that, and you're sort of slowly coming up the stairs. Who knows? No one's got a crystal ball, have they? But that's my technical target. I think that Bitcoin's actually in right now, and the reason is just here, this 47654, which is roughly where the 050 fib is. It's because you've broken out of a W double bottom pattern just here inside an ascending triangle. Okay, do you see this? Look, you've got this ascending triangle inside a large ascending triangle. It gives you a breakout target, and your breakout target is from here, this neckline at 42388. You're breaking out, potentially, running some resistance, falling back to support and the EMAs, which would be amazing. But that's a massive level of support for me moving forward. If you do get rejected at this point, or you start to get rejected at that point, you start to come back down and back in this pattern, that would be an amazing entry point for me, because it's where the daily EMAs are as well. In a buy and go to the beach, a golden cross just there. Do you see that? And the last time we got that was here in this correction, coming down, coiled up, broke out, yay, and then you came back into the 20, the golden cross, and that's pretty much exactly what I'm looking for here. So if you're sitting on the wings and you're waiting for a good trade, wait for the retest of the daily 20 for Bitcoin, because when it comes, that could offer an amazing entry point with a really, really tight stop loss, because at that point you're breaking bullish and you're going to start a retracement, and this is the retracement. It's just going to give the game away, whether or not you're in a bear market or you're still in fact in a bull market. Okay, do you understand that? So that's what I'm looking at. Key level support right there. This is your key level resistance at the moment that you're struggling to get through. So if you potentially keep running into that, you're going to come back down. That would be an amazing entry point to go long. There you got a buy and go to the beach as well, and then you ride it up to that technical target that you're actually off this W bottom pattern here that you're caught up inside of in an ascending triangle. But once you start to break out of that 0.5 this W bottom pattern here, which you are breaking out, you're running into resistance coming back. Once you meet that technical target, I do think you're coming for a bit of a retracement for Bitcoin. You hit that resistance, because it's confluence, it's that and the technical target of this W bottom pattern. You hit that, I do think you're going to come in for a retracement. If it's a deep one, you potentially come back into the EMAs just here, okay, and that could be a golden entry point, because you would be breaking out of a larger ascending triangle, which gives you a technical break target from here to here, from there to there. You start to break that key level resistance just there, that high at 44609. You're getting a daily close above that. You're confirming you're actually in a technical target to around about 57k, which is a whopping trade. It's a whopping trade. You hold that as support, boom, you're looking at a 27% upside. And with that, you can see that you really are getting quite high in this retracement. You're breaking through the golden ratio, you're coming up and you're attacking the 786. Okay, now if you start to close above the 786 and get regular closes above that, wow, you've basically got thin air between you and the all-time high, and at that point you really are in a bull market, not a bear market, because you're getting so high in the retracement that potentially break it. You're looking at these fib targets at a bare minimal. You're looking at 1272 at 84422. You're looking at 1414 at 93755, and you're looking at the minimal target there for me anyway, the 1618. I reckon you're looking at 108k for Bitcoin, which would be absolutely amazing, wouldn't it? And not just Bitcoin would flourish, everything else would flourish. XRP, Chainlink, all them sort of projects right there. The bottom would be in, and this is your correction phase done, and we're looking at opportunity here, aren't we, moving forward? So that's basically Bitcoin. Hope you enjoyed that little update. Stay healthy, stay strong. But they're my key levels of resistance support moving forward. Now you can trade all these swings and the ranges. You can trade all this on Bybit. The link is in each and every single video description. Do take advantage of their sign up bonus, and thank you for support. Okay, take care. Back soon with an update on Bitcoin. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.